Hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing? So first, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Easter. Yes, it's around the corner. Welcome back to my channel, Kelechi here. And if you're new to my channel as well, please smash that red subscribe button. Today, I'm super excited, guys, because I'm going to talk about the Tecno Camon 17. Trust me, guys, this is going to be a device like no other. See, guys, the Tecno Camon 17 is not just going to be a better and good upgrade, it is going to be the best. Not just a camera-centric device, but also a super gaming smartphone. And that's a massive improvement from Tecno, and it is quite commendable. The series is expected to come with Helio G90T and Helio G70 respectively, with 6 and 4 gigs of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. For the design, it's nothing like the Tecno Camon 16 because we are going to be seeing a new camera module design, an innovation from Tecno for its 2021 devices. Still made of plastic, but with a good and classy finish. And we will also be getting a USB Type-C connectivity that is going to support 18 watts fast charging. So hopefully the Tecno Camon 17 will still win the best camera technology just like the Tecno Camon 16 because it comes with a flagship 64 megapixel camera lens. And the picture quality would definitely be a decent upgrade from the Tecno Camon 16. So for the display, guys, what are you expecting? An IPS panel or an AMOLED display? The Tecno Camon 17 is going to come with one of the best displays in the game, with contrast and colors well optimized to give you a good viewing experience and also no lagging in gaming. So you're looking at a 7 inches display and also a 6.6 inches display respectively. So how many devices are we expecting in the Tecno Camon 17 series? Well, I think Tecno will continue in the trend of always releasing 4 devices in the Camon series. But this is 2021. We could be in for surprise. But you will definitely have the Tecno Camon 17 Premier, the Pro, the Camon 17, and possibly the SE or the Camon 17A or the light version if you may. But all 4 devices will show no sign of disappointment, of course with different specifications and performances, having a typical 5000 mAh battery on all devices. For the camera, it is still going to be a quad camera combination and a quad LED flashlight. The picture quality is fully enhanced and you're getting image stabilization, especially when you're shooting either in 4K or 1080p and also 720. The Tecno Camon 17 is going to sport a circular camera module and also a rectangular camera module, a side-mounted fingerprint and also a rear-mounted fingerprint, just like the Camon 16 series. So how much will the Camon 17 Premier cost? Or what is the price range expected in the series? Well, certainly it's going to be a flagship device, one of Tecno's best for 2021. But trust me, guys, it is certainly going to be affordable. And you're going to get every watt for your money spent. And also, it is a good upgrade from the Camon 16 series. Yes, this is good, guys. The Tecno Camon 17. And right here on this channel, I will be unboxing each and every one of them, hopefully. So if you have not subscribed to my channel and you're new, please smash the red subscribe button and stay subscribed. Turn the bell icon for post notifications so you won't miss out on the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Please drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.